So guys, welcome to day 6 of our design challenge. I know that you've been participating. So today I'll be teaching you guys how you can create this stunning birthday flyer using just PixelLab. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to click on this icon, go to image size, change your width to 1023, then leave your height at 1280. Beautiful. Now click on shape, drag it, make sure it covers your workspace, then click on this icon, lock it, click on shapes again, increase the radius, beautiful, go to color, enable it, give it a black color, beautiful, then increase the size, yes. This is okay. Now click on copy, delete the one behind, then place it here. Go to relative position, make sure it's at the center. That is wonderful. Click on this icon, lock it, and go to shapes again. You want to form that shape you saw, that shape with different parts. That is what we're about to create using PixelLab. I know you are surprised, but I'm going to teach you how you can do that yourself. Now move it, okay, reduce it again, this is okay. Then go to relative position, centralize it, click on copy, go to relative position, centralize it, then go to rotate, take it to minus 60 degrees. Minus 60 degrees. Yes. Okay. Then click on copy, centralize it, then go to rotate, take it to plus 60. Plus 60. Beautiful. So guys, you could see that this part, let me show you what I'm talking about. This part, and this other part are not equal. So for us to make them equal, we'll have to move them. How do we achieve that? Let me show you. Click on this shape, click on this, then highlight the two shapes, click on this, then move them. Move it. As you are moving, be watching. Okay, I believe they are now equal. Yes, they are now equal. Click on your good icon. While creating yours, you can take your time to create it. Don't be in a hurry. Then click on shapes again, increase the radius, then reduce it this time around. Reduce it again. Okay, place it here. Go to relative position. Yes. Then go to copy. Delete this other one and bring this here. Go to relative position, centralize it. This is wonderful. Then click on this icon, click on this. Let's merge the shapes together. So follow me carefully. Now merge them. Click on merge. Yes. This is beautiful. We've merged all the shapes together. Now go to erase color, enable it. We're going to erase the black color, just the black color. Beautiful. Increase the level of tolerance. We don't want the black to be seen, like we don't want any shade of black to be seen. Yes, this is okay. Beautiful. The next thing we need to do, please lock this. The next thing we need to do is to import all the images one after the other. So let's import the first one. This is the first image. So we're going to crop this part out, crop this other part out, crop this part out. This is okay. Then click on your good icon. If you've done that, then move this behind. Yes. So position it the way you want it to appear. Just follow me carefully. You can reduce it, Okay, this is okay. This is beautiful. Copy it, delete the one behind. So take it behind, then place it here. Now go to Max. You know, many graphic designers don't know how to use this particular tool in PixelLab, but it is very easy. It's actually easy. If you don't know how to use it, check my playlist. You'll find a video on how to use the Max tool, and that video will guide you on how to use the Max tool seamlessly. So you move it this way, move this other one this other way. Watch me, follow me carefully. Then move this. Stretch it. Okay. Then this other one, stretch it too. Don't worry, you're going to understand what I'm doing. Then for this part, bring it here. I love this too. I don't know why. I love using this Max tool a lot. I have a tutorial on this, like I said previously. Just go and watch it and you understand how to use Max tool seamlessly. Then click on enable, click on out. You see? Now let's move this to this side. Bam! We've done it without stress. So this is how I use the Max tool. So like I said, it's very easy. Let's do the second one. If I'm done doing the second one, I will have to pause this video because I'll have to max about 5 images. And I don't want the video to be long. So this time around, watch me carefully so you can learn how to do this yourself. Let's import the image. This is the image. Crop this part out. Crop this other part out. Beautiful. Then reduce it. Take it behind. Lock this other one. Okay, this is beautiful. Copy it, delete this other one. Okay, we are good. Now go to Max. So stretch it. Stretch this other one. Stretch this other one too. So stretch it, move it this way. Just follow me, it's not difficult. I know you're saying, this thing is hard. It's not hard, it's easy. Just follow me carefully and you're going to get it. Okay. Make sure the line touches that white line so that it can cut that part out. But if it doesn't touch the white line, it is not going to cut it the way it is supposed to be or the way you want it to be. So make sure it touches the white line. So enable it, click on out. Hope you've seen it. Now let's adjust this other part so that it will be neat. Guys, we are done. I know this other part is obvious. We can still work on it. Go back to the Max tool. Move this part. And that is it, guys. It's not difficult. It's quite easy. So I'm going to pause the video now so I can rush the other part. So guys, I'm done maxing all the pictures into the shape. It is time for us to move on. Okay, so click on this. Click on the shape. Let's give it a color. Enable it. Okay, we are going to pick a color that is not on the clothes of the celebrant. Let's pick this color. Okay, beautiful. So click on this again, click on this. Let's merge all of them together. So click on merge. Now we've merged them together. So go to erase color, enable it. Go to color picker. This is the color we are taking away. Beautiful. Now increase the level of tolerance. Just be careful while doing it. Be careful so that it won't affect the image. I think this is okay. Let's leave it at 9. 9 is okay. Now we are done with this. Go to shape. Okay, so go to shapes, increase it, reduce it again, then place it here. Make sure it covers that place. Okay, go to color, enable it, click on the plus icon, go to color picker, click on this, pick the color on the clothes of the celebrant. Yes, this is the color we'll be working with. That's not all. Go to shadow, enable it, change the color to white. Yes, increase the level of blur radius. So increase the offset X to 2, increase the offset Y to 2. This is okay. Now let's import the background. This is the background. So stretch it again. Okay, this is okay. Then click on this, take it behind. Beautiful. Now let's import the main picture of the celebrant. This is the picture. So we're going to crop this part out because we don't need it. Okay, and stretch it again. Click on copy, delete the one behind, reduce it, place it here. Beautiful. So guys, we are done with this part. I want you to save it as image, then save to gallery. Follow me, we are not yet done with the design. Now let's take the image to PixelLab. You'll be shocked at what we are going to achieve. Click on the plus icon. Click on this. This is the image. Now go to add photo. Add the background. Click on add. Beautiful. Now stretch it this way. Alright. Click on eraser. Click on erase. So make sure that your opacity is 100. Increase the size to 80. Then go ahead and erase. Hope you can see what we are doing. Okay. Yes, we are done with this part. Beautiful. Click on the good icon. Now let's add something else again. The happy birthday write-up. So add. Yes. For you to do this, make sure that you are done writing the happy birthday stuff or the happy birthday write-up. Make sure you are done writing the happy birthday write-up before doing this. Otherwise, you will get stuck. Okay, this is beautiful. So take it up a little. Yes. Click on your good icon. Now let's import something else. Add it. Increase it. Make sure it covers the image. Okay. Now go to blend. Change it to screen. Hope you can see what we've achieved. Yes. Then go to opacity. Reduce the opacity a little. Okay. Then go to eraser. Click on erase. Let's erase part of that stuff that is covering the face. Erase this one. Erase this. Erase this. Erase this part. This is good. Okay. You can also increase the opacity a little so that it can be visible. Okay. Go back to eraser again. Let's erase this part a little. Erase this part a little. Okay. So guys, let's duplicate it. Yes. Move it to the other side. Reduce it. Reduce it. then place it somewhere here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Yes, just place it here. So that stuff will be seen too. Stretch it. Place it here. Then go to eraser. Erase this part. Erase this other part. Then click on the good icon. So guys, we are done. Click on the good icon. Beautiful. Now go to Effect. Click on HDR. Click on it again. Reduce this. Increase the saturation. Increase this a little. We are done. So go ahead and save it. Click on this. So close. So we are done with this design. Do well to join our WhatsApp community so you can participate in the design challenge and also have access to the design resources. See you tomorrow, which is day 7. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.